Here are 50 sentences using I am working on. These sentences show how I am working on is used to express ongoing efforts or activities. 1. I am working on my presentation for tomorrow. 2. I am working on improving my communication skills. 3. I am working on a new project at the office. 4. I am working on completing my homework. 5. I am working on a design for my client. 6. I am working on understanding this complex topic. 7. I am working on my fitness goals. 8. I am working on building a better routine. 9. I am working on learning a new language. 10. I am working on fixing the leaky faucet. 11. I am working on a creative writing piece. 12. I am working on a solution to the problem. 13. I am working on cleaning my messy room. 14. I am working on a budget for next month. 15. I am working on making healthier food choices. 16. I am working on organizing my files. 17. I am working on getting my car repaired. 18. I am working on a surprise gift for my friend. 19. I am working on improving my time management. 20. I am working on memorizing this poem. 21. I am working on gaining more confidence in public speaking. 22. I am working on creating a website. 23. I am working on preparing for an upcoming exam. 24. I am working on maintaining a positive mindset. 25. I am working on decorating my living room. 26. I am working on a new recipe for dinner. 27. I am working on painting a landscape. 28. I am working on finding a good book to read. 29. I am working on developing better habits. 30. I am working on my travel plans for the holiday. 31. I am working on a speech for the event. 32. I am working on solving a difficult math problem. 33. I am working on training my dog. 34. I am working on building my personal brand online. 35. I am working on staying consistent with my workouts. 36. I am working on finishing the painting by next week. 37. I am working on reducing my screen time. 38. I am working on preparing a portfolio for a job interview. 39. I am working on practicing mindfulness daily. 40. I am working on making a handmade gift for someone special. 41. I am working on setting realistic goals for the year. 42. I am working on improving my handwriting. 43. I am working on editing the photos from the trip. 44. I am working on organizing a small event. 45. I am working on finding a balance between work and life. 46. I am working on customizing my computer settings. 47. I am working on fixing the bug in the software code. 48. I am working on understanding the latest trends in technology. 49. I am working on creating a relaxing space in my home. 50. I am working on staying patient and calm in tough situations.